I am Priyanka Nathani. I am now 52. I am a nuclear engineer. I completed my engineering. I am an MTech from Moscow Power Engineering Institute. I finished my studies in 1997. 2019, we had COVID and we were working from home. So the workload was, quite less. Sort of gave me a lot of free time on hand. And at that time, I came across an email that I received from IIT Madras that they were starting this course. So, of course, data analysis and all, it sounded very intriguing. Of course, it was the IIT Madras name, it was the brand that attracted me. And so I joined the course, never intending, very frankly, I was not intending to finish it because I never thought that I'll be able to manage it with my workload. Very interesting teachers, Usha ma'am taking statistics, and then the Python that we took up. Sudarshan sir was there. So it was all very interesting and kept me interested. Then once I had finished my diploma, again because of the rigor, I was thinking of hanging up my boots. But in the meanwhile, I had learned to start studying with younger groups. I had started doing group studies. Possibly I continued because I did not want to stop discussing subjects with my friends. And they were like sort of motivating me, yes, you can do it, yes, you can do it, sort of. So I continued and went on to degree. And degree again, these subjects start becoming very interesting because now it is, culmination of what you have learned in your foundation and your diploma. So sort of it gives you, when you are understanding it is, and the challenges are different, and the subjects were really, I took up some very interesting subjects. I tell people, they feel, ma'am, you are motivating us so much. So it's a lot of fun. And now, what I want to say is studies were one part of it. Of course, how much you learn, how much you understand. Going from somewhere around 8.8 something, I had started with 9.9 something, then somewhere in diploma, mid diploma, it fell down to, my CGPA fell down to around 8.8 something. And the going back to 9 and more was really, really an uphill task. And I really, had to put in a lot of hard work. But I want to say I'm really proud of myself because, I did not lose my motivation, and of course, it was my study group. They were always motivating me. I think my energy level in these 4 years has really changed. Even people have started, like sort of, telling me, ma'am, you are always so energetic. How do you maintain that? But I feel that it has happened probably more over these 4 years rather than, what it would have been had I not taken this course, because it is the energy of, the studies, and probably, opening up of my view to this new world of, how the younger generation is thinking, how they look at things. Although nuclear industry is not really using too much data analysis, not working with AI a lot, but I've started putting my head to it, that what we can do, in what way we can use all this. And possibly I may change my field within my organization, and try to use my knowledge to see, how this my knowledge can be used in nuclear field. So those are my plans. And finally, I'd like to thank everyone once again, including my fellow students, my fellow friends, and the whole team of IIT Madras.